You are watching a kiddie's educational world. A is for apple, a healthy fruit that's sweet and juicy. B is for ball, let's play and have fun with it. C is for cat, a furry friend that loves to purr. D is for dog, loyal and playful, man's best friend. E is for elephant, the largest land animal with a big trunk. F is for fish, swimming in the water, splish splash. G is for goat, a friendly farm animal that goes baa. H is for house, a cozy place to live and grow. I is for ice cream, a sweet treat that's cold and yummy. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun, delicious on bread. K is for kite, watch it soar high in the sky. L is for lion, the king of the jungle, hear it roar. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees with a big grin. N is for nest, a bird's home, safe and snug. O is for orange, a citrus fruit full of vitamin C. P is for penguin, a cute bird that waddles in the snow. Q is for queen, a royal lady with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow, a splash of colors after the rain. S is for sun, shining bright, giving warmth and light. T is for train, choo-choo, all aboard for a ride. U is for umbrella, it keeps you dry when it rains. V is for violin, a musical instrument with a lovely tune. W is for whale, the giant of the sea that swims so deep. X is for xylophone, a fun instrument with colorful keys. Y is for yacht, sailing across the water, so much fun. Z is for zebra, with black and white stripes, so unique. Thank you for watching a kiddie's educational world. Please subscribe, like and share our video.